IsThereAnyDealcom review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Imagine spotting a major game you've been waiting for, then finding it for half the price at a trusted store. Sounds great, right? That's exactly what entity brand IsThereAnyDealcom promises. But most people get this wrong. It's not just about the lowest price, it's about understanding what you're paying for and whether the deal really saves you money. Here's the deal. IsThereAnyDeal is a price comparison service for PC, game, key and digital stores, showing you historical price data, messenger alerts when a game hits your target price and links to stores. It's earned a Trustpilot score of around 3.9 out of 5 from 13 reviews. IsThereAnyDealcom Reddit users say it only lists authorized resellers and is as safe as it comes. IsThereAnyDealcom. What you get when you use it. A simple dashboard showing current deals versus historical lowest prices. Alerts when your wish list hits a new low. Helps avoid overpaying for digital games. What you give up or need to watch. It links to third-party stores you still need to judge store reliability, region locking, payment method issues. The deal may not include everything. Regional restrictions. Some keys may be region-specific or activate only in certain countries. Here's how to evaluate the pricing. 1. Find the game you want. Check the historical lowest price on IsThereAnyDeal. 2. Compare the link store's current price, payment fees, any currency conversion to your local market. 3. Check region lock or language restrictions. 4. Set an alert if you're willing to wait for a better price. You won't believe what happens next if you skip the region check. You pay less individually, but end up with a key you can't use in your country. The surprising truth: a great deal isn't just a low number, it must be usable in your region and fully activated. In conclusion, if you're a gamer hunting for bargains and willing to navigate region codes and trusted stores, IsThereAnyDeal offers very strong value. If you prefer simplicity and local currency ease, you may pay a bit more, but get fewer headaches. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more smart shopping tips.